Alright, it's time to throw on the carburetor. So I just had a rag over the intake manifold so no dust and debris got in there. I'll throw this thing on. Oh, it's pretty heavy, but I'll be okay. Pretty straightforward. Here's my hardware. This guy on here. This guy. Fuel lines while I'm on the side, I guess. Oh, they're pretty tight. There it is. There it is. Right there. Okay, that's 5/8. So I gotta hook up the vacuum line for the vacuum advance. Hook up the vacuum port for the PCV valve right here. Good. Good. This guy on here. Nut. So basically that lock nut's how far it's going to go in. And about there. Okay. And that just goes right on this gas pedal lever. Nice. Little tiny cotter pin. Throw it in there. Kind of hard to see. Got it. Looks good. Then that thing open. I think that's pretty much it. I think we're ready to start this thing. Let's see how it goes.